In this video, we'll guide you on how to get started using your Insta360 X4. Open the Insta360 X4 box. The box contains: insert the MicroSD card into the camera before use. Remove the battery by flicking the battery cover switch inwards with 2 fingers. Insert the MicroSD into the card compartment. Then, reinstall the battery. Make sure that the orange indicator marks are not visible, as this ensures your X4 stays waterproof. Insta360 X4 charges, transfers footage, and connects accessories via the USB Type-C port. Push the switch upward to open the USB cover and use the official cable that came with the camera to connect and charge your X4. When charging and X4 is off, the indicator light will stay red. When the red light turns off, your X4 has finished charging. The USB cover is designed for easy plug-and-play of accessories. When open, easily install accessories like the mic adapter and quick reader. Remember to check our store for the full range. Once you're finished using any accessory, close the USB cover and make sure the orange areas are not exposed. Inside the Insta360 X4 package, the standard lens guards and thermal grip cover are included. To install the lens guards, do the following. Align the markings on the lens guards with the tabs on the lower right side of the lens. Rotate the lens guards clockwise to align the mark on the lens guards with the round hole in the camera's microphone to secure and install your lens guards. When recording 8K for extended periods, we recommend using the thermal grip cover, as this can effectively reduce the camera's heat and provide a more comfortable shooting experience. Before you start shooting, you'll need to download the Insta360 app to activate your camera. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the Insta360 app and connect the camera to it. The app will automatically detect nearby Insta360 cameras. When connecting for the first time, confirm the connection by tapping on the camera screen. Once connected, follow the steps on screen to complete activation. Once you're activated, you can freely start to use the camera. If the firmware update prompt appears, you can click Start Download and follow the step-by-step instructions to ensure your camera is updated with the latest firmware from Insta360. Next, we'll introduce you to Insta360 X4's buttons. Power button. Short press to power on X4. With your X4 on, short press the button again to put the screen to sleep. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the camera. Quick button. Short press to enter the preset page, allowing you to quickly switch shooting modes on the go. Shutter button. Press the shutter button to record a video or take a photo. The indicator light will blink red during recording, letting you know that you're filming. Short press the shutter button again, and X4 will stop recording. If you are not happy with your current shot, long press the shutter button to cancel the recording. This immediately deletes it from the camera storage. When quick capture is enabled, press the shutter button when the camera is turned off, and X4 will immediately power on and start recording. Perfect if you want to capture something as it happens. Lens button. Press the lens button to switch shooting modes. In addition to the above default functions, you can also customize these in X4 settings under Customize button. When you first power on X4, you'll arrive at the main screen. Here, you can find the following. Click on any empty space on the screen to hide the above information, allowing you to focus on the shot. Swipe on the screen to pan around the 360 image for better composition and shooting. Swipe down from the top edge of the screen to access the shortcut menu, allowing you to adjust important settings and features. Swipe left from the right edge of the screen to enter the shooting parameters page. Here, you can manually adjust exposure and other image settings. Swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen to enter shooting specifications page, where you can set resolution, frame rate, and more. Swipe right from the left edge of the screen to enter the album page, where you can browse footage you've already recorded. Tap the mode icon in the lower left corner to switch shooting modes. Shooting tips. Tap the battery icon to view or hide the current power percentage. By using Insta360 X4 with our invisible selfie stick, you'll get a seamless third-person shot that looks as if you have a drone or your own film crew. With gesture control turned on, raise your palm to make the camera start or stop recording for a complete hands-free experience. While shooting, you can preview the shot in real time through the Insta360 app on your phone. You can also use X4 with official Insta360 accessories dedicated to a variety of different sports and activities, ensuring you get the best shot no matter the action. After shooting, you can view and edit 360 footage right from the Insta360 app on your phone. Use the new Quick Edit functions, Quick and AI to get faster videos right from your phone. The Insta360 app also sports Shot Lab, a haven of fun AI-powered shots and templates. When applied to your footage, you'll get all sorts of crazy, fun results in just a few taps. We also have a newly refreshed desktop-based editing suite, Insta360 Studio. This allows for a more professional take on editing and optimizing your footage right on your computer. And with our newly released Adobe Premiere plugin, Insta360 Reframe, you can now directly import, edit, and reframe 360 footage right in Premiere. Thanks for watching the X4 Quick Start Guide. Stay tuned for more tutorials from us. See you next time.